Hello, children. Welcome to the computer class. I hope you all are doing well and received the previous week's study materials properly. So, in last week we had solved the worksheet for chapter 2. Okay. Today we will start with chapter 3, that is output devices. Okay. So, till now we had learned about input and processing devices, using which we can give input to the computer, and after taking the input the computer process those data using the processing device, which is CPU. Okay, now after processing, the computer needs to display the information always. So how it can display the information to us, or how it can shows the output to the user? So using the output device, the computer can display the output or information. Okay. So in this chapter, we will learn about different output devices. Okay. So let's start. So first we have to know what is output. Okay. Before knowing about different output devices, it is important to know what is output. So output is the process of producing results by the computer after processing. So we we all know that every time the computer takes input from us. Okay, now after taking the input, the computer always process the input data, and so what is output? Output is the result that the computer gives us after processing. Clear? Processing করার পর যে রেজাল্টটা আমাদের কম্পিউটার দেয়, that is called the output. Now the output can be any number, any letter or any image, etc. Okay, output যেমন আমরা কোনো addition subtraction যদি করতে চাই, তাহলে আউটপুটটা কি হবে? নাম্বার হবে। তারপর কোনো ইনফরমেশন ডিসপ্লে করতে চাইলে টেক্সট বেস, সেটা লেটার্স হবে। আবার যদি কোনো আমি ইমেজ ডিসপ্লে করতে চাই, তো এই আউটপুটটা কি হলো? ইমেজ হলো। ওকে, আউটপুট ক্যান বি এনি টাইপ, নাম্বারস, লেটার্স, ইমেজ। ক্লিয়ার? নাও হোয়াট ইজ the so this is output. Now what are the use of output devices? So using the output devices, the computer can display information or result on the computer screen. Okay. So after processing, computer যে output বা information পাচ্ছে, using the output device, the computer can display this information or the result on the computer screen. Clear? So as an example, this suppose you want to add two numbers. Two numbers 5 and 6. Okay, suppose you want to add two numbers. So first কি করবে? Using the keyboard. Using the keyboard, that is the input device, you have to give input 5, 6 and plus to the computer. Input দিয়ে দেবে. Now after taking the input, computer কি করবে? The computer will process the input. That means what will process? The computer addition করবে. The computer perform the addition using what device? Using the processing device, that means CPU. So after processing, the result is 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. The addition of 5 and 6, the result is 11. Now how the computer can display the result 11? So using the output device, the computer then display the result. That is, the computer have to display the result of the addition 11 using the output device. Clear? So this is the need of output device. Now mostly we are using monitors, printer. Okay, there are many output device, but among them monitors, printers, speakers are the most important or most commonly used output device. কি বললাম? Monitor, printer, speakers are the most commonly used output device. Clear? Now next come to monitor. Okay, first I will discuss about monitor. So what is a monitor? So all of you have seen, I think all of you have seen the device that is look like a TV screen attached with computer. Okay, computer এর যে device TV screen এর মতো দেখতে হয়, the device is called monitor. Okay, see this is the picture of the monitor. Now how it look like? It looks like a television. বাড়িতে যে আমাদের টিভি থাকে, টেলিভিশন থাকে, ঠিক এরকমই দেখতে হয়, like a monitor. So this device is called monitor. Now the monitor is an output device which display the output on the স্ক্রিন, ওকে? মনিটর যে স্ক্রিনে থাকে, মনিটর স্ক্রিনে কি করে, যে কোনো আউটপুট অর রেজাল্ট অর ইনফরমেশন ডিসপ্লে করে কম্পিউটার, ওকে? Now the monitor is called VDU or visual display unit. Now the monitors which display images into two colors like black and white are called monochrome monitor. Now I have already said that the output can be any type. It can be number, it can be letter, it can be image, okay? So using monitor, the computer can display a image, or sometimes it display the numbers. It can display any output, okay? Now the monitor which display the images into two color, key color black and white, only the two color যে কোনো ইমেজকে ডিসপ্লে করে, the monitors are called monochrome monitors, okay? So what are monochrome monitors? Monochrome monitor displays the image into two color. What are the color? Black and white, clear? And the monitors can also display images into different color, okay? A monitor can display an image from 16 to over 10 lakh different colors. Think it is a big amount, okay? Monitor can display the images from 16 to 10 lakh different colors, okay? And this type of monitors is called colored monitor, okay? The monitor that display images in different colors are called colored monitors. Now there are different, see, this is the monitor, okay? Now see, there are different size and different types of monitors. See, this is the LCD monitor. Okay, this type of monitor we use in previous earlier days. We use this type of bulky size monitor. Okay, এগুলো previous models. But nowadays we use this type of LCD monitor. Okay, there are different type and different size of monitors. Okay, and the output display on the monitor is called soft copy. Okay, এই যে monitor screen, on this screen any output, number হোক, image হোক, text হোক, letter হোক, any output is displayed on the monitor screen, okay? And the output is called soft copy, okay? Now why the output is called soft copy? Because the output is displayed by electronics, or the output is displayed digitally, okay? Now, as the computer is an electronic machine, so it uses electricity to do its every work, okay? So আমাদের কাছে suppose when the image is on our hand, যখন কোনো image আমাদের হাতে থাকে, the on hand data is called hard copy. আর যখন আমরা ইমেজটাকে কম্পিউটারে স্টোর করে থ্রু কম্পিউটার ডিসপ্লে করি, then the data will be called soft copy, as আমরা ইলেকট্রনিক ইউজ করছি or ইলেকট্রিক্যালি or ডিজিটালি ডিসপ্লে করছি, so that's why it's called soft copy, clear? So আমরা আজকে কি দেখলাম? মনিটর দেখলাম, that is the most commonly used output device. আরো কি কি আছে? প্রিন্টার আছে, স্পিকার আছে. So in the next class I will discuss about printer, speaker, okay? But for today I had only discussed about the monitor, as it is very important and most commonly used device. And there are different size and different types of monitor, and monochrome monitor can display the images in black and white, whereas colored monitor কি করে? Colored monitor display the images into different colors. Clear, students? So if you read this topic from your computer book and then solve the skill sheet book. This is page number 11 of your skill sheet book. And this is on chapter 3, that is output devices. Now the first is color the following picture of the output devices. See, these four pictures are of output device. The first picture is of monitor. The second picture is of printer. Next, the third is speaker, and the fourth is plotter. So all the four devices are output devices. So all of you color, you can give any color to these four devices. This is page number 11 of your skill sheet book. Now come to page number 12. The task is find and cross the odd one out and give reason for your answer. Okay. So in each number there are three devices are given. Okay, three devices are given. Are among these three devices, we have to find the odd device and we have to cross out. Odd device ki see in this picture, this is the keyboard we all know, then this is the monitor and this is the printer. Now, I had said that monitor and printer are output devices. So এই দুটোই same category তে পড়ছে, but the keyboard is an input device. So this category is different. এটা হচ্ছে input device category আর এই দুটো হচ্ছে output device category. So these two are different from this one. So which is the odd one here? Here keyboard is the odd one. So we have to first cross the keyboard and then we have to write the reason. Give reason for your answer. কেন আমি cross করেছি? As it is an input device. So it is odd among these three. Clear? Samely, next করবো আমরা see CPU. CPU is a processing device. Next keyboard, we all know keyboard is an input device and also mouse. Mouse is an input device. So which is the odd one? These two are input and this is processing. So this is the odd one. So cross it and write here processing. Next come to, so this is plotter. Okay, this is plotter. This is the output device and these are speakers. These are speaker and this is plotter. Both these are device are output device and the microphone is an input device. We had learned in the last chapter that is microphone is an input device. So এগুলো হচ্ছে output আর এটা হচ্ছে input. So which is the odd one? This is odd one. So cross it and write here input device. Okay. Now the last is monitor, scanner and light pen. So in the last chapter, we had learned that the scanner and light pen, these two devices are input device and monitor is an output device. So which is the odd one? Monitor is the odd one. So cross it and write here output device. So I think all of you understood the task. This is page number 11 and 12 of your skill sheet book. So first all of you read the topic from your computer book, then solve this 2 pages of skill sheet book. Okay students, so thank you and take care.